Okay, I have the Claude Code control panel running here. You can see here the LED is blinking idle, waiting for our input prompt. Let's go ahead. Go ahead and run those permission tests now. The LED now goes back and forth while Claude is working. Once we have a permission prompt, it flashes, showing that it needs our attention. We can hit green for approve, and we can turn on auto approve mode here. And this will automatically approve all commands as long as this switch is set. And turn this back off, and then it will go back to asking us for permissions. I can hit deny, and then we're back to prompting. Tell me about this repository. And I can add in a button here for UltraThink. Sadly, UltraThink is no longer actually a keyword in Claude Code, but I needed a good excuse to add some rainbow LEDs. This is also, by the way, the jankiest looking thing I have ever built, but it works.